My objective of the day is how you are going to take this contact lens to your customers. Okay, are you able to deliver this to your customers? Are you able to achieve what you want from this? Is my session objective. So as you all know, it's just an alternative to glasses. It is going to correct the refractive errors. This is what everyone knows about contact lenses. We have little more clinches to this, which we will see as we go through the sessions. Okay, so the first question, our first session was on lenses, crizol, everything. Okay, when there has been so much of wide variety of things available with blue cut lenses, why contact lenses? That's the major question. Okay, so why do we want to have contact lenses? Okay, so the glasses, when it comes to glasses, the first session we had, you are going to protect from UV, you are going to take the cataract out, everything. Then why contact lenses? Okay, so what contact lenses does is they fit much closer to the eye, so they gives you a more natural experience. Okay, when you have a frame in front, the frame edges are going to cut some of your field of vision. So when you wear contact lenses, you have a wider field, you can see 360 degrees without any hazel. Okay, and third thing is that it is not going to be heavier sitting on the nose, and if you are going to Chennai is most known for having 2 summers in a year. Okay, so in all those summers you are not going to sweat, your frames are not going to make any marks on your face. Okay, so that is where contact lenses comes into the place. Glasses says, oh, what is this? I am fashionable and inexpensive, why contact lenses again? Okay, but there is ways. Contact lens says, the next session Reiki sir is going to come with wide range of sunglasses, where to put when I am going to wear glasses. Okay, but if I am going to have contact lenses, yes, I have all the options of sunglasses. I can change my faces, I can change my things over a period of time. Okay, so you could now feel that there are some add-ons to contact lenses. Yes, I want an interactive session. Okay, we will come to a consensus here. If you are not going to interact with me, okay, I will take the liberty of giving you some activities to do. So glasses, if it is we are going into the snow, we are going into the sports activities and any irregular corneas that are going to give you distortions, then contact lens is the option. So now you should be really convinced that there is a role for contact lenses to play. Okay. So how many of you, all of you are salespersons, isn't it? In some way or the other you are selling. Okay. So roughly how many glasses do you sell in a month, say, or in a week? When I ask you something, you are supposed to get me some answers. So this first group, say how many pairs your glasses you are going to get it out in a month?
3,000 per month.
3,000 pairs, very good. 100 pairs. 300 pairs, very good. You are about to go. But even in Shankar Netralia, you should be getting some pairs out. 5,000 pairs, yeah. Okay, so how many of the contact lenses you are getting it out?
Near about
100. 3,000 and 100, yes. 110.
5 to 7 percentage.
5 to 7 percentage. 300 la 5 percentage, 15. 500, 500. From 5,000 to 500. Why is this gap? When you can make 3,000 spectacles, when you can make 5,000 spectacles, why just 5% is contact lenses? Is it, do you claim that all of your people are, okay, I will resonate from you, why I should be telling you the answers. Okay, so why is this gap between 100 and 3,000, 10 and 100, 5%, 15 and 100, why is this gap?
They have to take a lot of care for that. If you are wearing contact
Glasses,
You own a bike? You own a bike? Do you send it for servicing?
Yeah.
You take care of it? You wash your clothes? You wash yourself? Then why contact lenses cannot be maintained? Then why contact lenses cannot be maintained?
It's not there, madam.
Huh?
Performance is not there. All the people are contact people
Mm.
who's interested only they are wearing.
Mm.
Those are not interested people. They are fear, madam. Scary.
You are scary. Problem is the scariness lies with you.
Most of the
Okay.
glass mirrors are like pressed by a big so like they don't know any multifocal.
You don't have multifocals in the market?
Multifocal, yeah, that's what.
Mm.
Multifocal content is that awareness is not there.
Who should create this awareness?
Company.
Why, which company? Which company should create this awareness? Huh? It is you practitioners. It is you practitioners. You need to take the best to your patients. How many of you claim that you are doing an ethical practice here? How many of you claim that you have an ethical practice here? Ma'am, how many multifocal lenses you are dispensing? Not enough. Why?
You are not getting trial, madam. Again, I am telling the point. See, always I am blaming the company, madam, because they are not supporting it. I am referring the customer to go for multifocal lens.
There is an easy way out. See, there is no one solution for any problem. Okay, why can't you put that pair also onto the patient? Say, if the contact lens trial is going to cost you say 500 bucks or 600 bucks, get a trial lens for 500 bucks. Initially 1 or 2 patients you need to put a little more effort to do it. After that it comes out of your practice, own experience, you can do much better. Okay, so there is no way out. There is always a way out. When you say you are doing an ethical practice and you have not offered the best lens to your patients, I don't say that your patient should take it, but had you spoken about the multifocal lenses to each and every customer you have seen? Had you, all your progressive patients, if you had spoke to at least 10 progressive patients, at least 2 out of them would have taken. From 5% you could have jumped to 10% or 15% of practice being converted into your contact lens people. Okay. One at a time. Though I have 2 years, I can only hear one.
People will blame us.
Why SLR people should blame us? See, it is not an option, it is not an exception, or it is not an alternative. It goes together. Okay. You also give contact lenses, you also give progressive addition lenses. So, both are not going to eat up. Okay. You don't have 2 bikes, you don't have 2 pens, you don't have 2 pair of glasses. Then why 1 pair of glasses and 1 pair of contact lenses cannot be worn? Okay, it is the block with the practitioners. It is not the system block, or it is not the block with the product. Okay, yes.
Contact lens we need to replace again and again per month, monthly disposable like that. So it will add up the cost to the customer.
Last 5 years, how many mobile phones you have bought?
No, but they will say that it is more useful. What they will be saying, glasses we can continue for 2 years. So why don't we go
Actually,
for glasses?
profit margin is very less in contact lenses. All contact lenses are available online at very
But it
cheaper
is an
rate.
added one. But it is an added profit.
Directly purchase
That is not
online.
a matter, madam. We are explaining the customer what they are doing. Oh, he is getting the trial also. Then what they are doing, they are going to get that online. That is the problem. They are getting trial, they are getting service, everything free of cost. All of those stores.
Yes, happening.
Only the paying, only they are giving to other online.
Because online people are selling contact lenses at a rate which is much more than the distributor cost. Even if the distributor
See,
is selling a lens,
that will not, I will tell you, I might be point blank, I can have these discussions little out, because there are a lot of politics into it. Okay, I can explain you those politics also, but what you think, nobody can match a very good practitioner. First, that confidence you should have in yourself. Okay, whichever patient who had come to you will not go anywhere without your permission. that you take it from me. Even if he goes to Shankar Netralaya, if he has tasted your practice, even if Shankar Netralaya says that you should go in, he will come back and ask you, ma'am, idu sollirukanga, can I go ahead? Neenga clearance kudutha da anga povanga. You have a practice module like that. I'll come to that.
So they like it, madam. They like it to come here only. So already
Had they told you?
I gave the prescription.
Had they told you?
No, what happened?
Because for buying spectacles,
No,
they are coming here,
see,
coming to us again.
I'm going to general physician, my doctor, family doctor, I'm going to. So I'm getting the fever, so he's giving the medicine prescription. Okay, I'm alright. So next time if I get fever, what will do?
You will repeat the same prescription.
So same like that.
I'll tell you one thing. This is ignorance. Okay, you go to a medical practitioner. Okay, you have some gastritis. Okay, he gives you, say, that Rantac. Okay, Rantac on a long use will give your swelling of your gums. Without knowing, you have started yourself, put yourself on Rantac. Okay, but you had really told the patient that on a long term use without the guidance of the practitioner, this education if you had given your patients, then your patients will seek something in you, they will come back to you. So that margin only we need to create, that margin, that connection with the patient only. Next time he will anyway come. You told last time I had taken Rantac, it was okay. So this time also I had started on Rantac, but I didn't get better. Many patients will come to you like that. That's the point you should catch the patient. That's the place where you should catch the patient and say, this is not to be taken on a regular basis. So once you know that you are having recurrent, then probably we will change the medications, or we will find out other ways why it is coming. So that is where you need to draw that line and tell your patient that without your consent nothing should be done. Okay. Yes, something popping out from the last bench? No. Okay. Okay. So there are ifs and buts also. I wouldn't say always it's better, contact lenses are better. Whatever you had discussed is there, still there. Okay, but these are the ways that how we had told. Okay, so what if it is maintenance? Every day we maintain our teeth, isn't it? We don't brush. Every day we take bath. That's also maintenance of the body. Okay, every day you take all these juices. What all juices you have? Arugambul juice, aloe vera juice. Okay, all those cost so much, isn't it, to cleanse your body? There are many people taking that. Okay, so contact lens, cleaning of contact lens, maintenance of contact lens, if you pose it as a big problem to your patients, then it's a big problem to them. I tell to my patients that cleaning or maintenance of contact lens after a week's time takes less than the time that you brush your teeth. It takes less than the time that you brush your teeth. It is so easy and so quick that you can do it in matter of seconds. Okay. And replacement schedules, yes, you need to follow the replacement schedules, without which it doesn't go. And little bit of indications to say how I can, who are all the contact lens people, who are all good customers for contact lens, where I can throw this contact lens onto my customers, little bit of things on that. Okay. Any type of ametropia, be it myopia, hyperopia, astigmatism, presbyopia, any type of ametropia, you offer the contact lens. If you are making 3000 pairs, all the 3000 customers you speak about contact lenses, all the 3000. So end of it you will have at least from 100 you could have gone to 500 customers. Okay. And any distortions, any irregular corneas, any aberrations in the corneas, yes, you should think of contact lenses. And if there are people who want enhanced field of view, all require enhanced field of view. Okay. So all of us are driving, all of us are exploring, adventuring. Okay. So everybody requires a field of view. In case of anisoconia or prismatic effects that they have, if your patient, if you are given a prismatic effect, suddenly some optician had fitted with a prismatic effect, that's your patient, pick them. Pick them up. So if you had worn contact lenses, these problems will not come. Pick them up. It is your creative ideas to pick your patients for contact lenses. Of course, there are a lot of therapeutic potentials also for contact lenses. Probably in a primary care setup, how many of you are practicing, I do not know. So, management of irregular corneal surface as a bandage contact lens, or for myopia control, all these also contact lenses are potential, mostly done at a tertiary care level. Okay. Cosmetic effect is very, very important. Cosmetic effect is very, very important, and we will see the statistics down the line. That will tell you that how much of importance people have started to give for cosmesis. Okay. So, in those cases, even your cosmetic contact lens is a potential area of marketing. Okay. So, get rid of your glasses, mask any corneal scars or enhance your eyes. Each occasion you can project each way. Okay. Why don't you sit in your clinic with a pair of cosmetic contact lenses? The moment your patients see you bright and beautiful, they will also like to take one. That's one of the practice module. So, how many of you are practicing contact lenses here? I know 500 pairs, 15 pairs, okay, 100 pairs, 10 pairs. So, all of you are practicing contact lenses, yes? How many of you feel it is promising? Promising. Up to an extent only. Not worthwhile the time. Sollitanga. Okay. Not worthwhile the time. Okay. But you should also think about Saravana Stores model, no? Huh? Small money, bigger patients, more money, isn't it? Okay, small margin, more number of patients, you get more profit. It is contact lenses is like that module. Okay. So, in 15 patients your margin is less, but if you had made it as 150 patients, the amount you would have taken home is huge. Okay. So, you should calculation is not a one way calculation, you should calculate in the other way also. So, even if it is a small margin, you do it cater to the needs of more number of people, then your profit is going to be greater. Okay. So, work on that, and you cannot say that you do not have patience, because my statistics do not say that. See, there is a great study done, and it says that in Asia Pacific regions, we are rightly placed in that zone. Okay, there is a very great place for contact lens market. It is a very great place for contact lens market, and you have millions and millions of people wanting contact lenses. Okay. So, we are not just giving you 10 people and asking you to have a contact lens marketing. Okay. There are millions of people available. Okay. So, you can make just 1% or 0.1% of the tap, 0.1% you can make a huge money in contact lenses. Second thing is cosmetic. Cosmetic contact lens preference is on the rise. Okay. That is what the global statistics says. So, we are rightly placed, two areas, we are rightly placed in the Asia Pacific region. So, it is, you have a potential. With all these tells you about the mindset of your customers. What it ultimately tells you is the mindset of your customers. So, they are ready to go in for contact lenses. If you are ready to give your customers, yes, you can find a place in contact lens industry. Okay. Second thing is cosmetic contact lens. How many of you had spoke about cosmetic contact lens to your patients? How many times?
Every day.
How many pairs you had thrown out?
But per month, 2-3 pairs. But I displaying that color cosmetic lens to view for every customer who are entering my store. First, they will see the
color contact lens. So can you, have you thought of?
Many of them, they don't know what's that. They ask what is this.
What is this? Okay. So this first month is 3 pairs. Next month, had you tried it for 5 pairs?
Yeah.
Had you tried it for 10 pairs? Then it should not be staying at 3. Isn't it? So when you know that, from 3 patients you can get the clue, work it out to 5 patients, 5 patients take another clue, work it out to 10 patients, work it out to 20 patients, and it should keep on going like that. 3 per month is not a consistent number for years together. Okay. So we have a very big market for cosmetic contact lenses, and we have a very big market for simple spherical contact lenses also. This is what the global statistics says. Okay. So a quick look at the type of lenses. You all know that you have daily wear lenses, extended wear lenses, flexible wear lenses, and continuous wear lenses. What are these? What are daily wear lenses?
Daily wear.
Daily wear. During the waking hours only. Okay. Okay, for a limited period of time. Only for a limited period of time. Extended wear lenses?
Overnight.
That is a wrong perception. Extended wear is all your waking hours. All your waking hours you can wear. When it comes to overnight wear, it is either flexible wear or continuous wear. Flexible wear 2 to 3 days you can wear it overnight. In continuous wear, it is continuous for 28 days, 29 days and 30 nights and 29 days. Okay. So it is for a month's time. Okay. So how many of us have spoke about this? So education we have not done. We have not done the basic education to our customers. Okay. Second set is we have conventional lenses, we have monthly disposables, we have fortnightlies and dailies. Okay. So what are these conventional lenses? Yearly lenses. Monthly disposables, every month replacement. Okay. Fortnightly, every 15 days we are going to replace the lenses. Okay. Dailies, daily, every days. How many of you dailies, how many pairs do you do a month? All the lips are going down. Huh? How many? How many patients? That's what I am asking. 2 boxes. 30 lenses per box. Question please. 30 pairs. Two boxes only. Only 2 boxes. 1 box is 30 lens. Okay. How many boxes? Okay. How many boxes you are going to give dailies? Okay. One patient would require just 2 boxes per month. Okay. So how many boxes we are going to give it? 2 boxes, 4 boxes. Why? In 100 only 1 box or 2 box or 3 boxes dailies. This is what we meant by ethical practice. Okay. We have not offered the best to our customers. We have not offered the best to our customers. Still we are doing an unethical practice. Okay. So what we think right need not be right always. We need to search for things, are we doing it in the right sense. So how many of you have considered daily disposables as an option for correcting your patient's vision? You know it is there, but it is not penetrated too much into your practice. It is not penetrated much. All of you have settled just with monthly disposables maximum, right? Mostly monthly disposables. Occasionally some elite customers you might go with the fortnightly. But dailies are also the best option for your customers. Okay. So what are those roadblocks which are not allowing you to think of dailies? Cost. Yes. Okay. What is the cost? What extra? Huh? 1,400 per box. 2,800. One box is 30 lenses.
2000 per box. 2000 per box. So monthly is 4000.
4000. Okay.
Per annum is coming
Mm.
22,000.
You're drawing money monthly only. No, why you're taking it in a year? See, where you want to speak for years, speak for years. Where you want to speak for months or days, speak for months or days. Why do you want to project the big picture when you can work with the small picture?
Always we are thinking big. That's why.
You're not you're earning monthly income, no? Just in monthly income, just 4,000.
Big gain.
Okay, 1 lakh rupees he is earning and 4,000 for himself. Why not? Why not? I just did a calculation 1 week before to just do a cost calculation. I nearly spent 1,000 rupees a day, be it for my travel, for groceries or whatever, snacks, everything. I spent 1,000 rupees a day, but I don't know what I am doing with it. I simply spent. I had simply spent that day to move that day. I had simply spent 1,000 rupees. Can I not spend 100 rupees out of that for myself, for my well-being, for my cosmesis? For just hair straightening, they get 20,000. Hair rebounding per hair, 1 lakh rupees. Why not? This is a very good option for a clearer vision, wider field of view, okay, more natural vision, okay. Why not we spend? Okay, so there is no block in any of the people that we come across to spend 100 rupees per day for themselves. It works out to be just 100 rupees per day. Okay. So what quality of life you expect to live? What quality of life you expect to live? All are aiming for Audi, BMW, Bullet. Anybody willing to go in cycle? That cycle is only for making exercise. Okay. So that is only for an exercise, fun activity and things like that. That also you spend 25,000 to buy a cycle, isn't it? Then 4,000, 25,000 enga irukku, 4,000 enga irukku. So you are always wanting the best. Why not give it to your customers? Why your customers should settle for less? Yes? Is it convincing? Is it convincing or not?
Yes.
So how I am going to get the needle into the banana? Okay. So from you I can understand there are some roadblocks. You are not able to get, or you are not able to do what you wanted to get to your customers. There are some roadblocks perceived. Okay. So how we are going to get this needle into the banana? Okay. So first and foremost is you believe in the product. You believe in the product, do a little bit of reading and understand the efficacy of that product. Okay. So if I say dailies, what comes to your mind? When I say dailies, what comes to your mind? Cost. Then there is much more to cost. There is no maintenance. Safest. Comfort. Do you have any evidence for it? Healthy and hygienic. Had you searched an evidence for this? We are all talking about evidence-based practice. Does your dailies really give this? Does your dailies have something within it that really caters to all these comforts and things like that? Had you searched off? Only if you go ahead and search it, you will know, you will believe in the product. Only then you will believe in the product, then you think this is the best. Why don't you go? Okay. You believe in having food in Saravana Bhavan. You believe in going to Marriott. Okay. Why? Why? Why you tell your people, you tell your people there is one Saravana Bhavan there, you go have your food there, don't take it anywhere else. Many of you would have recommended, isn't it? Baskin Robbins is there, have your ice cream only from Baskin Robbins, don't get any other ice creams. Why?
We tested once.
Tasted once, nothing happened to you, you believed in the product, so you are recommending. Okay. So if you want to be a practitioner, you should first believe in the product, only then that recommendation comes to you. If you have a bad experience, you will not recommend that product to you, to anyone, isn't it? So what is first is you should believe in the product. If you want to believe in the product, you should have some idea about what the product is. Yes, easily anybody can say, any person can say it is, it gives you comfort, it requires no maintenance, it's throwaway and things like that, but we will go into it and believe the product. And second thing everybody was saying is cost. Okay, break down that cost for your customers. 4,000 rupees plus some 360 ml another 420 rupees, okay, 420 rupees.
No need solution.
For your normal patients I am saying, normal patients, okay. So if you work out all those yearly cost, okay, per month they will use one solution bottle, okay. So your yearly monthly disposable pack costs around 4,000 rupees, 4,000 plus another 4,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees, okay. So 8,000 rupees you break down into 365 days, okay. So how much it will cost you? 4,000 by 400 easily இல்லையா? 4,000 by 400 எவ்வளோ? 4,000 by 400 100 அவ்வளோதானே வருது? 40 rupees, okay. For per day here it is going to be 80 rupees, that's all, okay. 80 rupees, no hassle, easy care பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? Easy. You தானிக்கு தீனி கரெக்டாக தான் வரும். Put the calculation, okay, put the calculation before the patient, okay. For 80 rupees you are getting a good quality product, okay. So why not will they opt for a contact lens, isn't it? So this is how you need to work any perceived blocks by your patient.
Madam, 4,000 by 400 is just 10 rupees.
சரி இப்போ இருக்கட்டும்.
But they have to spend 100 rupees per day.
இருக்கட்டும்
10 times more.
இருக்கட்டும். See, my maid gets a progressive lens here. 100 is after all nothing to anyone today.
Read the big letters. How to move the needle into Madam already you have to look that.
Okay. So give the idea of throwaway lenses, hassle-free lenses, all this you can give it to your patients, okay. So make the recommendations, okay. Only patients want to hear from you. If you had said, எடுத்துக்கோங்க மேடம் நல்லா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு போதும், patient just wants that only. Do it, he will be happy, take it, he will take it, he will take it, because we need to get that done, okay. So we need to get that commitment from the patients. Even if you give 2-3 things to your patient, the patient will say, sir நீங்க சொல்லுங்க sir, நீங்க எது sir suggest பண்றீங்க, isn't it? Have you only heard? This is where you should put the needle in, okay. So here is the point to pick to your patients and give, madam this will be very good, this is going to be the future and you are already going into that, it's very great step. So that is how you should get that to the patients. So coming to believing in the product, what is the science behind the dailies, okay. So in the dailies are designed with blink activated moisture technology, so they will take care of most of the dry eye symptoms that your patients will be having, okay. And you can really give those patients who are feeling some itchiness on things like that, complaints with that, many are using the lot of electronic gadgets, many are before the computers or tabs or mobile phones for nearly 6 to 8 hours a day. Okay, so in all these people, dailies are the option. Dailies are the option. So we are going to try and figure out who are those ideal patients for daily disposables. Okay, so whom all I can really get the daily disposables easily. Okay, there are patients who comes and says my eyes are itching and burning. Okay, I am a frequent traveler. Okay, I am in a media personnel, I am a marketing personnel. Okay, all these people are very good potential candidates for your daily disposable. Okay, even the students, because sometimes they need to carry the lens cases and solutions with them when they are going to their colleges or things like that. Okay, you can tell them you just have to wear this. If you don't want, throw it away. If you don't want to wear your contact lenses, throw it away. You don't have to carry any lens case. You don't have to carry a sanitizer to wash your hands, clean your hands. You don't have to carry the solution. The solution may leak. It might be very disturbing for you to carry, heavier for you to carry. Why all these things? Okay. Life, everybody wants to have a leader, easy life. Nobody wants to take any pains. Okay, it's just I just delivered my first baby. Hey, you cannot manage, no, you cannot clean with baby in hand. Okay, just go with the daily disposables. Once he had tested daily disposables and the ease of daily disposables, even after 2 months he is going to come and ask for dailies, isn't it? So you need to give that taste first. Free ah kudukrangalla. Okay, if you enter Grand Sweets, just taste this, And there are people who use a lot of makeup. Okay, so for them contact lenses is like a boon. Okay, but we need to. So you should watch your customers. You should see if they come fully dressed up, fully makeup done. This is the customer for contact lens. Yes, madam, we have a better option. You can use this during the end of the day. Contact lens will suit you to your profession. Wear it for 8 hours during your working hours. Rest of the time you use glasses. Glasses sold, contact lenses sold. Okay, even if it is 500 bucks, it will help you to pay your rent here. 500 bucks is a big money for a many number of patients, isn't it? 500 into 100 patients? Enough? 200 patients? Okay. So have an high performance eye care practice. Inform them about the advancements in contact lens. Okay. Introduce the dailies to them and let them select as you suggest. Okay. So this is very important. Unless and until we create awareness, until we educate our persons, it is not possible to have things done. Okay, and believe in me, if you start creating awareness, if you start speaking about the things, products you have, people will believe and come to you. People will believe and come to you. Madam, புதுசா dailies வந்திருக்கு madam, try பண்ணுங்க. ஏன் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க? Okay, so everybody wants to upgrade. Okay, when you keep upgrading i3, i5, i7, இல்லையா? Why? We are upgrading. Our mindset is like that. Okay, we had been using conventional lenses. We said, madam, monthlies vandirukku, idu better ah irukum. Try panni parunga. Okay, now it is dailies. Try panni parunga. How many of us give bifocals? Hardly anyone. We'll say, I almost say, amma bifocals la extinct agara pora variety. By the time you come to 60, you will not even get bifocals. Better to start with progressives. Okay. So that is the way of practice. So you should have your own creative ideas of get the things across to your customers. Okay, so features and benefits of contact lens for lifestyle. You will appear the best, you will see the best, and you will feel the best. Anything more that the patient wants? Podulla. Anything more they want? They will appear the best, they will feel the best, and they will see the best, isn't it? So now what's your first step when a patient comes to see you? Now it's your time. You are going to keep answering me.
First observe how they have come,
How they have come. Yeah. Just observe how they have come.
which vehicle they have come.
Which vehicle they have come. Yes, yes, very important. Yeah, very important. You will have to be really alert. You know where to start. You should know your starting point. You should know your starting.
We should ready, madam. Yeah, we have to catch the customer. We should be.
You can actually wear different contact lenses and sit in your clinic. Madam, இன்னைக்கு நீங்க பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கீங்க மேடம். இது எங்க மேடம் வாங்குனீங்க? இருக்குப்பா நம்மகிட்டே இருக்கு வாங்கிட்டு போங்க. Okay. Then what else? What else? What are you going to do when you go into your clinic tomorrow? You are going to watch the patient? Which bike, which vehicle? Yes, then there is again one thing. Okay, which vehicle, which is not the thing at all. Okay, even the one who comes with Ramraj dhotis has huge amount of money inside. Okay, so don't underestimate any customer. Don't underestimate any customer, neither by his profession nor by his looks, or nor by the person who comes in Bullet or Audi will not buy. I'll tell you. Person who comes in Audi will not buy. Person who comes in auto will buy. Okay, so if you want to waste your energy, waste it for a person who walks into your clinic or who comes by auto. It's pure experience that I had had. Okay, I had dispensed lot of progressives for auto drivers or maids or family persons of those maids. Okay, but if you speak about higher end product, I thinking that he has come in Audi, he will get some 20,000, 50,000. He will take the entire energy out of you. Okay, he will take the entire energy out of you, and yeah, for 3,000 rupees I had spoke to volumes and volumes. Why waste such energy? Okay, see, feel the customer. The moment 1 minute you should take to understand your customer, then you think whether you want to waste your energy or not. Okay, so establish rapport with your patients, understand their needs and wants, examine them. Okay, do a thorough examination. Just don't swap your retinoscope like this, right, left, up, down, and say that you're done with your refraction. Take some time, give some 5 minutes, ensure that your patient sees the best line on your chart. Okay, that is the time you connect with your patient. Okay, if that connection is not established, whatever you say, the patient is not going to hear. Okay, so if the patient knows that you are taking little care for his eye, then he listens to everything that you say. Okay, and suggest appropriate options to your patients, then dispense it, and do not forget to inform them about the aftercare. Okay, so whenever you dispense, say, madam, we will see after 6 months time, we will see after 1 month time, or we will see after 1 year time. Okay, so now many I know that are not convinced with the way we had discussed now. There are still, anyway I can only make 500, 400 rupees out of a pair of box of contact lenses. Why I should, or is there any best way to get things done? Okay, so what do you think are the best approaches for your patients? After this I will go. Best approaches for your patients.
So contact lens customer means we can give the trial, madam.
Trial. What type of trial?
To call the customer with the name.
Call the customer with a name. Okay. Mr. Ravi, this is good for you.
Need-based solution.
Need-based solution.
Maybe they come to the complaint.
Very.
We can serve the coffee or juice something. Make it comfortable.
You're spending here. You're spending. Don't spend so much. Coffee can be a double-edged weapon. Okay. What coffee he is serving here? Chai. Okay. So don't work on those things.
Put palm stand and catch it with fish.
If that worm is not nice, no fish will fall. There are other ways. We are living in a technological world, millennium.
You can just
Okay, 2K millennium.
try like
Think
giving
in
an
those terms.
offer for a patient.
Pardon?
Offer for a patient. Okay, you take a spectacle and a pair of contact lens free for you. Just try for 1 month. If you are convinced, come back next month. Then they will buy from us the contact lens. That can be.
Somebody gives you free? Contact lenses somebody gives you free?
No, that
Anybody else? Somebody gives you free?
Contact lens price you will add in.
You will add hidden cost. Hidden cost. Yes?
Receiving, madam.
Hidden cost can be done.
You are receiving the
Huh?
customer, madam.
புரியல.
Welcome, receiving the customer.
Receiving the customers.
And the customer, hello sir, how are you? Please come, come.
Come. Sit. Take my time. Okay, then. This side is so silent, otherwise you will have to come for a belly dance. I'll call you for a belly dance. Don't be silent. Marketing பேசணும். நிறைய பேசணும். அதான் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். So, I know all of you wants to be a model optometrist, isn't it? How we are going to do this? Okay, if you want to be a model optometrist, you should have a practice model for yourself. Okay, how many of you have a practice model? எல்லாமே age old model தான் இல்ல? How many of you have a practice model for yourself? ஏதோ சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க அதை அப்படியே ஃபாலோ பண்ண அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, so can you think of ways to become a model optometrist? Okay, so when I pose a question to you, I should be answering that question also. If I cannot answer, I cannot pose that question to you, isn't it? So I should be giving you certain ways of being a model optometrist. Okay, so there are strategies that can be done to get the contact lenses or the best contact lenses or the most trending dailies to our customers. Okay, what are all the ways? Handshake, smile, cup of coffee, அப்புறம் adding extra freebies. I don't believe in freebies. Okay, freebies can give you only a very temporary market. It cannot give you a permanent one. Okay, so is there anything trending that we can think of? Okay, this is what we call it as collaboration marketing. Okay, collaborate with Femina, collaborate with Green Tents, collaborate with Naturals, isn't it? For each bridal, in that cost you can give a cosmetic contact lens. Why not? Okay, in each street where your opticals is there, I am sure there should be 2-3 parlors. All of you should have visited those parlors. Get connected with those people. For all the bridal makeups they do, you can give a pair of contact lens, isn't it? Not only for the spouse also you can give. Bride na bridegroom ko, bridegroom na bride ko. Okay, dress matching மட்டும் இல்ல, contact lens matching பண்ணலாம். Yes, okay, you can give a gift of colored contact lenses, isn't it? You are an optometrist, why do you go and search for gifts? Give a pair of contact lenses, saves your money, and your if they want they will come back. நீங்க அன்னைக்கு கொடுத்தீங்கல அது நல்லா இருந்ததுன்னு சொன்னாங்க, why don't you give me one more, isn't it? So this is what we call it as collaborating marketing. Okay, so you need to find places where you can add your things, where you can add your stuffs. Okay, so collaboration marketing allows your business to retain your professional clinical positioning while tapping into companies that can complement and communicate the beauty, fashion and fun side of the product. Isn't it convincing? Okay, so tomorrow you are going to go connect with some of your beauty parlors. Yes, it's absolutely nothing wrong. It's absolutely nothing wrong in the way. It is only you should know to survive. Survival of the fittest. Okay, so you need to fit yourself to today's world. Next is educational collaterals. Okay, so that is where you need to speak about the products to your patients. Okay, give them pamphlets, tell them the advantages. Okay, I said this moisture technology is there in dailies. How many of you had spoke about moisture technology to your people? When something good comes, people are ready to take. People are ready to take. So build content surrounding your product. That is what we wanted to do. Whichever product you have, whatever product you have, build some content for that product, its benefits, its technology, its uses, its performance. Okay. So give specific instructions and informations and direct your customers towards buying those lenses. Okay. So vaangikonga madam na yarum vaangikkum. This comes with the moisture technology. Okay. This comes, it gives you eye dry, protects you from dry eye. Okay. You can use all the electronic gadgets without any strain. Isn't it? Then why would they not go? Try for 1 month. Okay. So first is collaboration marketing. Second is educational collaterals, website modifications. How many of you believe in word of mouth practice? What is word of mouth? Huh? Refer to another customer. Okay. Everybody believes in that? Everybody believes in that? How many of you stay in flat? All are independent houses. Okay. How many houses are there in your street? 100. Okay. How many of you spoke with your next door person in the last one? How many times you had spoke with the next door in the last 1 week?
Daily we speak.
Daily you go to daily. I don't do it. Where do you have that? We don't do. How many of you told that you went to this physician, to your neighbor? How many of you told that you got this contact lenses to your neighbor? How many of you told that you spent this much thing on your progressive lenses? Had you? Where is the word of mouth?
We feel good about, we always like to share with others.
How many times?
Whenever we meet people whom we know.
That doesn't work today. Truth is not that. Truth is, many of you speak with your mobile phones and many of you speak through WhatsApp or Facebook rather than word of mouth. Isn't it? Those days have gone. Now they are more towards themselves. They don't even tell to which, ஐயோ நம்ம எந்த கடையில் போய் வாங்கணும்னு தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா அவளும் போய் வாங்கி அந்த ட்ரெண்டுக்கு வந்துருவாளேன்றுவாங்க. Okay, so people don't open up. Today's situation, I don't think many are. There are hardly anyone knows that who is staying the next door also. The truth is only that. If you claim that you are daily going and speaking to the next person and confessing what all you did that day, what all you went that day, it is not true at all. Okay, we really don't have the time to say even hello, hi to the person staying next doors. Yes or no? Truth is that. If at all you have some time, you want to sit with WhatsApp, you want to be in Facebook, or you want to tweet something. Yes or no? Isn't it? Okay, mostly now the trend is word of mouth is only WhatsApp or Facebook. Word of mouth is only through WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, so what is more essentially for this part of the time is you need to have somewhere, you need to connect with your patients on your Facebook. Okay, you can give a small, instead of giving coffee, give Wi-Fi in your store. Instead of giving coffee, give Wi-Fi in your store. You can use it as well, your patients can use it as well. Isn't it? Tell them go to this page and give a review. Review in your Facebook page. Have some 5,000 friends in your Facebook page. That's the word of mouth. Your word of mouth is sitting there in today's world. I will never go and say that I got my contact lens, you go and get it. Even if I had seen her wearing glasses, even if I use the best contact lenses, even if I use the best dailies or cosmetic lenses, I will wait for her to comment. Leah, even if I am wearing contact lenses, cosmetic contact lenses, I go around the house this way and that way. Unless and until some other person comes and says that you are looking good in this contact lenses, until such time I will not open up and say that, I got this contact lenses yesterday from that place. Anybody does that? Practically nobody does that. If you think your practice will grow by word of mouth, in today's world it will not grow. You will have to go trending on Facebook. You will have to go trending on Instagram or Twitter. Okay. Take one contact lens. Say, ask your patients to give review on your Facebook page. Give a Wi-Fi in your counter. Okay. Ask them to go. Everybody is electronically connected today. Okay. That is the word of mouth that is going to get you more customers. Okay. If you expect that the person who had come to you today is going to go and bring 2-3 persons from the street, it will not happen. If at all, if it happens, it will happen in next generation. Okay, so use some online strategies like uploading their photos. Even in your Facebook page, you can, if the patient is willing, they can take photo of that new contact lenses and they can trend it on the Facebook page. Okay, so if such options are given, yes. Okay, opportunity to upload them on social medias. So now we are going to take a break and we are going to have role plays, and I expect all of you would participate actively. Yes, we want active participation. Okay, how much time I have? I am running out of time. 15 minutes. Okay. So Modi ji has come out with a new idea of having Swachh Bharat implemented. Okay. He is not happy with this Clean India. Okay. So he wants to create one mini India so that he can create it, have it in a clean way. So he had identified one island close to India. Okay. So now he has called for various professionals. Okay, you are going to come over here, remember that. He has called for various professionals to come. Okay, so each professional is going to come over to the stage and say why you should be sent there, okay, to create that mini India. Okay, why you should be sent there. You can be a I will give you whether you are going to be a doctor or engineer or some architect or whatever it is. Okay, but then you get into a group. Okay, one person from the group will come over and speak why you should be sent to that island. See, this is a very big opportunity. You are going to be paid in euros. Okay, not in rupees. You will be paid in euros. Very big opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity of Modi. Okay. So can we start? You are through? So you will discuss why, suppose I am giving doctor to them, why you should send a doctor so that mini India is created there. Okay. So if I am sending an architect, why I should send an architect so that mini India is created there. Okay. So you should convince now, you should come, one from the team should come over to the stage and convince why we should be sending you to create that. Okay. So we will give an enthusiastic joker to this team. Okay. They are jokers and they are going to come and convince Modi ji saying why we should be sending. Okay. Doctors, architects and engineers. Okay. So that team, you get into your teammates and you should come here and say some 10 points why you should be sent over. Okay, we'll just give you 5 minutes time to think over because we are running short of time.
Why from the original India sending to mini India? Like what wrong is in original India?
What you will do to create that mini India? What will be your contributions to making that mini India? As a joker, in what way you contribute to becoming creating that mini India? If you are sent there, how you will, what all responsibilities you will take, what all you will be doing and things like that. Exactly 5 minutes.
Of the customer, our doctor is not able to give a good picture to the patient. Every day is sad. It's a joker face. well avoid डाल के तो we will be standing up.
You can come and join one group. Are we ready? Yes. Which team is going to volunteer first? Come, one representative from each team should come. Come, please. Okay, listen, last row people. Last row people are going to grade them and you are going to choose 2 people whom you are going to send to make a Swachh India, mini India.
Yeah.
So this is a doctor team.
Yes, madam. So I am the head of the team of the doctor. So, so first I initiate that people, prevention better than cure. So make the people to keep the environment. So plants the more trees and don't pollute that air and waters. And eat vegetables and fruits. Do yoga. That is also Modi advice. So do yoga regularly and meditations. And always wash your hands regularly, properly.
Okay, he is going to create awareness for healthy living. He is going to promote people to lead a healthy life. Okay, so he is also going to ensure the sanitation of the place. Okay, so Okay, you can make a note, and if you are convinced, you can vote for him. Okay, that will come at the end. Okay, good. Second team. Your team can come. Come, come, come. Okay, that team, architect or engineer? Engineer. Your architect. Come, engineers, come. Okay, after doctors, engineers are coming. Come, come. See, the first point in marketing is get out of your comfort zones. Introduce yourself, sir.
என் பேர் நரசிம்மன், கமிங் ஃப்ரம் கபிலேஸ்வரா ஆப்டிக்ஸ். நான் தமிழ்லேயே சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ ஆஸ் எ இன்ஜினியராக நான் அங்கே போனேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா, உங்களுக்கு ஏரியா வந்து கன்ஜெஸ்டடாக இருக்காத மாதிரி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். தட் மீன் ஒரு 10x10 ரூமில் இருக்கிறத விட ஓல்டு சிட்டிசன் நம்ம எப்படி இருந்தோமோ அந்த மாதிரி.
சிட்டி பிளானிங்.
ஸோ சிட்டி பிளானிங் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பண்ணணும்.
வெரி குட்.
ஸோ ப்ளே கிரவுண்ட் இருக்க மாதிரி ரெடி பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே.
ஸோ வீடும் பெருசாக தான் இருக்கணும் ஆல்மோஸ்ட். ஸோ நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கலாம் இண்டிவிஜுவல் அந்த ஃப்ளாட் ஏரியா மாதிரி பண்ணும்போது, அதாவது ஒரு ஃப்ளாட் ஏரியா சிஸ்டம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கன்ஜெஸ்டட் இருக்காது. ஸோ டஸ்ட்பின்லாம் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி.
He represents Puravankara builders.
Not Puravankara.
He gives a big villa. Okay, all integrated city planning.
See, in a classroom 10 or 20 people இருக்குல்ல, குருகுலம்ல 100 people இருந்திருக்காங்க அப்போ.
Okay.
ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ளாட் சிஸ்டம்லேயே வந்து ஒரு நிறைய பேர் டஸ்ட்பின் இண்டிவிஜுவலாக இல்லாமல் ஒரு காமன் டஸ்ட்பின் பண்ணி அதில் வந்து ஃபுட் நான் ஃபுட் செப்பரேட்டாக, பாட்டில் செப்பரேட்டாக, அந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் ஹைஜீனிக்காக வச்சுக்கலாம்.
வெரி குட்.
தென் பிளான்ட் ட்ரீஸ்லாம் வச்சு அது சரௌண்டிங்கில் வந்து வாட்டர் ஸ்டே ஆகிற மாதிரி. இப்போ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கான்க்ரீட் ஆகிடுச்சு, அப்படி இல்லாமல் கொஞ்சம் சென்ட்ரலைஸ் பண்ணி வாட்டர்லாம் ஸ்டே ஆகிற மாதிரி அது பண்ணலாம்.
So he will have a city planning, he will have a drainage system, well built drainage system. He is going to have a large play area where you can play and lead a healthy life.
ஸ்மால் ஏரியாவும் பண்ணலாம். ஈவன் ரோட்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி குண்டு குழி மாதிரி தெரியும், நிறைய ஸ்பீட் பிரேக்கர்ஸ், அது இல்லாமல் கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ளாட்டட் ஏரியா.
Steel roads he will lay. He will raise steel roads in mini India.
ஸோ இன்ஜினியராக பேசிக்காக அது பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes. Okay, do you agree with him? So he is a potential person to be sent to mini India. Yes, this true. Architects, please onto the stage, please.
So we play as the role of architects. First of all, our point is on eco-friendly atmosphere. So we try to build more trees and eco-friendly houses, buildings such as like that, and less pollution. To reduce pollution from the vehicles, like producing more smoke and fogs like that, we will avoid such things, and we will bring more eco-friendly vehicles and all. Then the other point is on waste management. So we can build bioplants like that. Okay. Then there is a plan for rural development. That is home for homeless peoples like that and all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So he is going to build the Modi's India, I believe. Okay. Okay, last team, last but not the least.
Hello.
Introduce yourself, Bas.
Hello. So I am on behalf of Elite School of Optometry. So a very nice topic ma'am has given us, Joker. So if we go to the mini India, basically we have doctors, engineers and architects who will be doing so much stressful and hard working. So they will require some happiness in their life, right? So at night we will be making them happy. Then so that stress work we will reduce it so that they can work the next day more better. Then Joker can be very important in connecting people, making a link between the people, so that everyone can work together. Then we can motivate the lazy people to work much better, so that there may be a little less lazy people. We have some convincing power. So if people who are not convinced, we can convince them to work much better and more efficiently. Then one thing we all know, that happiness is the best medicine. what doctors also can't cure. Happiness will be the best medicine. And if anyone is in depressed,
Laughter therapy.
laughter therapy, yeah.
Ah.
So jokers are there to bring colors in life.
Very good, very good. Okay. So laughter therapy. So last team is going to grade whom? Architects and jokers. Everybody are winners. What you have ultimately done? You have sold yourself. Okay. When you can sell something which is really not integrated to your field, any product you can sell, why can't you sell contact lenses? Why can't you sell contact lenses? So what is brought? Come. Creativity. Creativity is what is important. Introduce yourself. Sir.
Good evening, everybody. I am Nandakumar from Optics Center. Even though he is not a doctor, he wants to implement so many things, assuming he is a doctor. He is not an architect. He also wants to implement so many things as an architect. Even though they are not engineers, they also want to implement so many things as an engineer. We are optometrists and we can do best in our field because nobody is better than us and nobody is least to us also. So we can only do wonders in our field. So this innovation you should put in your field also, and you will develop your business and you will develop your practice in to a next level.
Belief in yourself is the key.
And I want to tell a point about optometrist. Anybody can tell the definition of optimist? Who is an optimist? Positive thinking. Who is pessimist? Who say negative things. But I will tell a small definition for optometrist. If you keep a glass of water off-filled, the optimist will tell glass is off-filled, and a pessimist will tell half empty. But what optometrist will do? Huh? Anybody knows the? No. Anybody knows the? No. Okay, I accept with you. You know the nature of vertical prism? Anybody knows what it will do? If we give vertical prism to a person, what happens?
Move up or down. Moves towards the apex. Eyes moves towards the apex.
So an optometrist will give a vertical prism to the customer, and that customer will say that glass is full of water. That is the difference between optimist, pessimist, and optometrist. So we optometrist always rocks. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. So the take-home message is you can do anything if you are really determined to do it. Okay. Now that you are determined to prove yourself as an architect, you are determined to prove yourself as an engineer, it is not your field at all. It is not your field at all. Okay. So even a joker, okay, it is all about convincing and believing in yourself that you can convince. Okay. Now that you have the product details, read little more, build a content to that product, give it to your customers, and tell your customers about its importance, and then you can really have a blooming contact lens practice. Okay. The simple refractions and glasses will not differentiate your practice from the next door practice. Okay. So all these things, small things will only differentiate your practice from your other person's practice. Okay. So as an optometrist, it's not how many patients you treat, but how many moments you share with your patients that has changed their life. Isn't it? So thank you for listening. Hope I have just made justice to my role. I do not know. I am happy to take comments. I am happy to share more of your experiences also.